Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by taking immediate, practical steps. Close all browser windows and disconnect any VPN or proxy, because persistence can hide inactive connections. Then go to Control Panel or Settings and look under Programs or Apps for unfamiliar entries installed around the time the issue began. Uninstall suspicious items now. Once done, reboot into a clean state and make sure to run the next steps with elevated privileges, so removal tools can delete protected files and registry entries. Next, run a full anti-malware scan with a trusted scanner and quarantine, or remove anything flagged. This targets hidden components. After that, open each browser, remove unknown extensions, and reset search engine and homepage to your preferred defaults because browser hijackers modify those settings. Then inspect Task Manager, Startup, and Task Scheduler for Delta-named tasks or unusual entries and disable or delete them. This prevents relaunch. Make sure to repeat scans until no new detections appear. To finish, clear the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons and wipe browser cookies and cache data, then restart so changes take effect. If Delta Search still appears, create a fresh user profile to isolate settings, or use System Restore to revert to a clean point. These undo stubborn configuration changes. If problems continue, boot into safe mode with networking and run the anti-malware and browser cleanup steps again. This helps remove programs that only run in normal mode and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.